I'm in the heart of the Melbourne city today at the Eliza Tinsley building, 640 Bourke Street, where there is an iconic building that is being brought back to life. I'm Alice Stoltz, and this is Prestige Living. The Eliza Tinsley building was a 3-storey heritage building built around 1925. It actually was the supplier of old hardware of a British company. You're in these spaces that feel historic, but also completely relevant and primed for modern luxury life today. Kitchens these days are so much the heart of the home. This one has beautiful stone, full European appliances, amazing wine fridges, double oven. You feel like you're in a 4-bedroom family home, but in fact, you're in an apartment of beautiful proportions right in the heart of the city. Something really captivating about apartment living is these bedrooms and how much of an oasis they can truly be amongst the heaving city below you. Beautiful views, incredible luxury in your own little cocoon. I love it. Full-size bath in an apartment. How times have changed. Nothing better is there than ending your day or even starting your day with a deep plunge bath. That one is sublime. The amenity in this building is absolutely extraordinary. It includes a wellness house, a Turkish hamam-inspired pool, gym, mindfulness lounge, as well as a social house with a whiskey lounge, sport bar, pool tables, and a focus area. It's like something out of a different period of time, the facilities that are on offer. And I love this idea of it really embracing the heritage, industrial, warehouse nature of the building. I'm struck by just how remarkable the experience of refined architecture with this amazing standard of living is. It's quite something else, right in the beating heart of Melbourne. 640 Bourke Street is prestige living.